Hello dear students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before proceeding further, I would like to tell you something. Please watch video completely, sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, then pause the video and note it and proceed further. If you find some difficulties, then please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problems. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. On these questions based on center of mass, and what the question says, a square of side 4 centimeter and of uniform thickness is divided into 4 equal squares. If one of them is cut off OECF, then the position of the center of mass of the remaining portion from O is. As per my previous lecture based on center of mass, that time I have explained that whenever two and more than two bodies combine together, the center of mass is shifted. And whenever we have to remove, then center of mass also shifted. In that case, same case here we have to apply here. You can see that it is a square and it is divided into four parts. Fourth part we have to remove, the center of mass will be shifted. Let we consider that this equal fourth part divided in each mass is small m, total mass is 4m, and total distance is 4m. So therefore, one part of the square 2 centimeter each, length and width, because this square same size. So now we have find out the length of diagonal by using Pythagoras theorem. It is 2. Then diagonal become 2 root 2. It is diagonal become 2 root 2. And at the exact center, we are well known about that center of mass of the square body is at the center of the diagonal. So therefore, it is 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 2. Bisect means it become root 2. Is it clear? Then whenever we have to remove the center of mass formula, applying the center of mass is before cut this fourth part, total mass of the square 4m, and center of mass exactly middle at the O, and minus we have to remove this part. Then the distance from the center of mass, original center of mass is O, then root 2 is the distance from the axis, and mass of this part is m, and total mass 4m minus m. Then formula, center of mass root 2m minus and 3m. M cancel, minus root 2 by 3, it is the center of mass. Then center of mass shifted right side, this side. So therefore, the answer of center of mass minus root 2 by 3. Now next question, find the center of mass of a uniform disk of radius A from which a circular section of radius B has been removed. The center of hole is at a distance C from the center of the disk. You have given four options. First option, minus CB square upon A square minus B square. Option B, minus BC square A square minus B square. Option C, CB square upon A square minus B square. Option D, BC square A square minus B square. Same concept. Same concept we have to apply whenever any object, any part of the body will remove, then as you know that center of mass will shift. So let us consider mass of the disk. First, we have to find out the mass of disk. Let mass per unit area be small m, then whole mass of the body, mass of the disk, m into what is the area? Pi a square. It is the mass of the total disk. Mass of the disk which remove m pi b square, because its radius is b. Okay. As you know that whenever we have to remove this part, then which formula you have to apply? RCM, center of mass, total mass of the disk m pi a square into 0. Why we have to using 0? Because its original center of mass is O. And minus, why we have to using the minus? Because we have to remove. Then whenever we have to remove, the using the formula is minus. And what is the distance from this? What is the distance? A minus, because total distance is A, this is B, then remaining distance is A minus B. And the place of A minus B is given C. Okay. So mass m pi b square A minus B. Next step, I'll put here the C. And m pi a square, mass, original mass of the disk, and the mass will be removed, m pi b square. Then this will become total value 0, because multiply with 0, m pi b square. In the place of a minus b, it can be written as C, because it is given. And minus m pi get common, then a square minus b square. M pi will cancel out, and this is minus. Formula minus cb square a square minus b square. So our option first is correct answer, minus cb square a square minus b square. Four particles A, B, C, D with masses Ma equal to m, Mb equal to 2m, Mc equal to 3m, and Md equal to 4m are at the corners of a square. They have accelerations of equal magnitudes with directions as shown. The acceleration of the center of mass of the particles, you have given four options: A by 5, I minus j, B option A into I plus j, and C option 0, and D options A by 5, I plus j. And this question is asked JEE Mains 2019. Now, in this question, we have to ask that center of acceleration of the center of mass. Then we can use the formula m1a1, m2a2, and dot dot, which we have to given the particles and upon total mass. As per this formula, you can see that all the four particles A, B, C, and D. Then what is the acceleration of center of mass is, what is the mass at the A point is m, and acceleration is a, and direction is left side of the axis, means minus I, plus particle b, its mass is 2m, acceleration is a, and direction is a positive direction of the y-axis, means j, plus third particle is c, which is moving to the right side of the axis, so 3m, acceleration is a, and plus I, and last particle D is 4m, acceleration is a, and minus j, upon total mass. What is the total mass? M plus 2m plus 3m plus 4m. Then first of things we have to what is the value? 3ma and ma. It can be written as 2ma I and 4ma j and 2ma j. Then minus 2ma j upon 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 mass. Then 2ma get common, I minus j upon 10m, m cancel out, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Then final answer is 2 by 1 by 5. 1 by 5 a I minus j. So A by 5, I minus J is the A is correct answer. Thank you for the staying till the end of this video, and yes, let me remind you again, do not forget to subscribe because you will get the intimation for the next link. Thank you once again. Bye bye.